I need another break. Oh, these hills are no joke. Man. Still got ways to go. Now, look. This is the public trail I was telling you. You can see it clear now. Let me see. Let's see. Right there, you see that trail? It goes down like that. It does zigzag. It does zigzag all the way to the top. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. Man, I really look good, huh? Gotta eat them fruits and veggies. Make your skin look good. You know? Makes you healthy. That's all you need. Fruits and veggies. That's it. What the hell you need to eat meat for? If you eat meat, I don't know what you are, dude. I don't know. You're disgusting. Yes, you were lied to. Yes, I get that. I was too. But then again, I stopped. Quick, too. It's not like I slowed down. I stopped that dead stop. Cold turkey. Once you know the truth, that's it. You don't know nothing else. The truth is the only way. And it'll lead you to something great. But you gotta earn it, though. You gotta earn every single thing. Everything, baby. I don't know. I always look at myself. I look good, that's why. But anyways, yeah. Eat fruits and veggies, that's all you need. Get some sun, you look like me, you look good as me. You will look good as me. You know, I can't say you're gonna look better than me, because I'm always gonna put myself, you know, up there. You know what I mean? Your self-esteem gotta be high enough for you to put yourself up there with me. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna say you look, you know what I mean? You gotta put yourself up there, man. Because I'm putting myself up there. And look, ain't no bullshit, baby. I'm out of breath, but I'm happy. I'm smiling, I'm laughing, I'm joking. Look at that, Pops looking at me. Look at it. Look at Pops. Where he at? Hold up. Look at Pops. Always shining down on me. Always, 24/7, baby. And that's 13. Everything goes back to 13. 13 is not just a number. It's life. It's the seed of life. 13 is everything. Everything that you see, everything that you know, everything that you heard comes out of the 13. The base is 13, which is 0 point, home, being you. You have 13 major joints in your body, major joints. And you have 12 melanin dots in your brain. And you got one in the middle, center, which is the pineal gland, turning to be 13. That's the 13th one. Everything is the 13. 13, 13, 13. And all this time, people been scared of the number 13, or saying 13 is a bad luck, or it's a bad number. Turns out to be the way. The only way. M-A. Ma's way. Big I'm a mama, serious son C. Dark matter womb. I'm big. I'm a mama's son. That's why I look good. I stay laughing. I'm always laughing. That's good. It's a good thing, baby. Ooh, I got a little sweat in my eye. That burns. Damn, that burns. But anyways, look at my skin. Look good, don't it? That's fruits and veggies, baby. For real, though. That's all you need to eat. Fruits and veggies. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Who said meat got more protein than fruits and veggies? You bullshit. You just said you craving blood. That's why you eat meat. Nasty ass. But anyways, look at that, Pops shining. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all think I'm joking? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Where you at, man? Let me get the focus real quick. Come on now. Can y'all see him? Oh no, I gotta check it later because I can't really see because of the reflection. But yeah, Pop's always shining on me because I'm a nature being. Netas, netaroot, negas, nagini. Kings and queens. Alright, enough of that. Because I got a ways to go. And I'm over here joking around with 13 love again, 13 wisdom, 13 knowledge, 13 respect. Nah. Okay, I'll go. 13 love.